Hello everyone. In this worksheet, the topic is pattern. Over here, the child has to identify the patterns, complete the pattern. So over here, the child has to observe the pattern and then they have to complete it. So over here, it's a triangle, circle, rectangle. So after that, it would be again triangle, circle and triangle. Next is a red circle, a blue circle, yellow circle. Again the pattern is repeated, red circle, blue circle, yellow circle. So after that again the child has to color this circle with red color, then blue color and then with yellow color to complete the given pattern. Next is B. So here it is B and then mirror shaped B, C, then mirror shaped C, D, then mirror shaped D, E and then mirror shaped E. After that 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2. So 1 is followed by 2 times 2. So again 1, 2, 2 would be the pattern. Next is a t-shirt, a sun, t-shirt, sun. Then again the child has to draw the t-shirt and the sun. Again a t-shirt and a sun. After that the last pattern is 1, 3, 5. So here each subsequent number is increasing by 2. So please emphasize the child on observing all the given patterns over here. So 1, 3, 5, then again adding 2, 7. Again adding 2 to 7, the child will get 9. And then again adding 2 to 9, the child will get 11. And again adding 2 to 11, the child will get 13. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को दिए गए पैटर्न्स को कंप्लीट करना है, उनको पैटर्न्स को ऑब्जर्व करने देना है और अपने पेस पे ये वर्कशीट कंप्लीट करने देना है. थैंक यू. Hello everyone. In this worksheet, the topic is practice patterns. So over here, the child has to complete the patterns. So here first is a smiley face, then a sad face, then again it's a smiley face. So the child has to color it using yellow color. Then it's a sad face. So the child has to first complete the given face and then they have to color it using blue color. After that, it's again a smiley face and the child has to complete it using yellow color. After that, it's a green kite and a pink kite. So first of all, they will color the first kite with green color. Then the next, this one using pink color. I do not have pink color in my toolbar, so I am not doing it. And they also have to complete the image of this kite. After that, they again have to draw and complete the picture and color it using green color. Next is a fish, a butterfly, a fish, a butterfly and a fish. So over here the child has to first of all draw the eye and this pattern in the fish. They have to first complete the given pictures over here. And then they have to color it. So first they will color it like this and the butterfly with orange color. So they can use pencil colors or crayons for doing the same. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को दिए गए पैटर्न्स को कंप्लीट करना है और ये वर्कशीट को खत्म करना है. थैंक यू. Hello everyone. In this worksheet, the topic is identify the patterns. Over here, complete the patterns. So, over here, first one is a boat, then waves, then boat. Then again, the child has to draw the waves over here to complete the given pattern using blue color. After that, a tree, an apple, a tree, an apple, a tree, and then the child has to draw an apple to complete the given pattern like this. After that, a heart, a vertical heart, then a circle, an inverse heart, a circle, a vertical heart, a circle, and then the child has to draw an inverse heart over here to complete this pattern. So they can use sketch pens or pencil colors to draw these patterns. After that, an ice cream, a candy, an ice cream, candy, again ice cream, candy, and after that again the child has to draw an ice cream over here to complete this pattern. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को दिए गए पैटर्न्स को कंप्लीट करके ये वर्कशीट को कंप्लीट करना है और बच्चों को अपनी पेज पे ये पैटर्न को ऑब्जर्व करने देना है ताकि वो लोग अच्छे से समझ पाए. थैंक यू. Hello everyone. In this worksheet, the topic is practice pattern. What comes next? Choose the correct option. So over here the child has to observe the given pattern and then they have to choose the correct option from the options given over here. So here is a spoon, a plate, a fork, again spoon, plate, fork, again spoon, plate and a fork and a plate is given over here. So the child has to choose the fork over here and draw it over here. Next is, here is a t-shirt with zigzag lines. Next, a t-shirt with shapes. After that, again a t-shirt with zigzag lines. So after that, the child has to select a t-shirt with shapes over here. Next is over here triangle, circle, triangle and a rectangle. Again triangle, circle, triangle, a rectangle. Triangle, circle, triangle, a rectangle. Triangle, circle, triangle, a rectangle. So after that, this would be the correct pattern that the child has to choose over here and then they have to draw it here. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को पैटर्न्स की प्रैक्टिस करवाई जा रही है. बच्चों को दिए गए पैटर्न्स को ऑब्जर्व करना है और दिए गए ऑप्शंस में से करेक्ट पैटर्न जो आएगी ब्लैंक में वो चूज करके उनको ड्रॉ करना है और ये वर्कशीट को कंप्लीट करना है. थैंक यू. Hello everyone. In this worksheet, the topic is identify the patterns. Make your own progressive patterns using numbers only. One is done. Say for example 0, 2, 4, 6 and so on. So over here each subsequent number is increasing by 2. Similarly the child can make any pattern using the numbers. Say for example 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 and 13. So over here each subsequent number is increasing by 2. So over here 1, then we add 2, it is 3, then when we add 2 to it, it is 5 and so on. After that it is 0, 3, 6, 9, 12 and 15. So here each subsequent number is increasing by 3, right, over here. After that they can choose any pattern. So again over here 2, then 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So here each subsequent pattern is increasing by 1. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को खुद के प्रोग्रेसिव पैटर्न्स बनाने हैं नंबर्स को यूज करके और ये वर्कशीट को कंप्लीट करना है. मैंने यहाँ पे जो एग्जाम्पलर दिए हुए हैं उसके अलावा भी बच्चे कोई भी पैटर्न जो प्रोग्रेसिव पैटर्न है नंबर से बनाया गया है तो वो यहाँ पे लिख के ये वर्कशीट को कंप्लीट करना है. थैंक यू. Hello everyone. In this worksheet, the topic is identify the patterns. Make your own patterns in each box. So over here, the child has to make their own pattern. So first one is of shapes. So over here, the child will be making their own pattern using shapes. So say for example, triangle, circle, triangle, circle, triangle, circle, triangle, circle. So here triangle and circle are getting repeated in this pattern. After that, say for example, a red circle, then a blue circle, then a green circle. Again similarly, a red circle, a blue circle and a green circle. Again over here, red circle, then blue circle and then green circle. After that, using numbers. So over here, using numbers, the child can frame any pattern. For example, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को खुद के पैटर्न्स बनाने हैं. यहाँ पे जो मैंने समझाया है वो सिर्फ एग्जाम्पल्स है. उसके अलावा भी बच्चे कोई भी पैटर्न जो शेप्स, कलर्स और नंबर से कनेक्ट हो रही है वो करके ये वर्कशीट को कंप्लीट कर सकते हैं. थैंक यू.